When it comes to creating a profitable cleaning and restoration company, efficiency is key. There's so many moving parts that the more you can refine your workflow and dial in the processes, the quicker you'll be able to get in, get the job done, and move on to your next client. Time equals money. By removing just one obstacle, you often gain hours back each week, especially when it involves water. Many truck mount operators are always struggling to find an exterior water source, which comes with an array of frustrating problems, from dragging hoses through grass, brush, mud, even a minefield of dog poop. And when it comes to working in freezing weather conditions, we're forced to deal with wrapped and freeze-protected, even shut-off exterior faucets. Then, if we're in a rural area, we're up against well water that can be high in mineral content, which leads to clogging of heating systems. And of course, there's always customers who face water restrictions, making them hesitant about someone else using their source. That's why if you're looking to become most efficient, we recommend adding a fresh water tank to your cleaning vehicle. At Legend Brands, we've designed ours with safety first in mind. And with 3 unique styles to choose from, we have a style and size for every need and application. First up, the Water Pond. Our unique curved design of the 120-gallon tank absorbs the energy created by water in motion. The Water Pond incorporates a 250-foot electric vacuum hose reel for quick hose retrieval, a 250-foot solution hose reel, and a transfer pump system. This is often a top pick for commercial-focused cleaning companies. Saddle tanks are another great solution. Holding 60 gallons of water, the powder-coated steel frame safely and securely mounts to the floor, utilizing wasted wall space over the wheel well. And if you'd like even more fresh water on hand, consider a double configuration, which will give you 120 gallons. By choosing a double, you're also balancing your van's weight distribution, which is why it's so popular among cleaners looking for that additional traction the weight over the axles provides. It comes with a transfer pump for easy installation. Now, for the ultimate in space savings and convenience, I'd recommend choosing our Submount tanks, which are available for the industry's top-selling Sapphire Scientific 370 EFI and Apex 570. The powder-coated frame is engineered to support the machine and safely secures to the vehicle's floor. It's utilizing previously wasted space under your machine. That's why it's the most popular for new high-top Transit and ProMaster vans. And of course, includes a transfer pump assembly. Freshwater tanks will undoubtedly help you become more efficient, paying for themselves quickly while increasing your bottom line for years to come.
Jax, did I hear you mention the 370 EFI?
Oh boy.
Yeah, it's our latest model, and if I may say...
Absolutely perfect.
She's obsessed.
No doubt. Legend Brands.